Willie brewed a peck of maut, and Rob and Allan came to see. William Nicol, brewed a half bushel of malt liquor, and Robert Burns, and Allan Masterton came to see. Robert Burns wrote these words, Allan Masterton wrote this melody. Oh, Willie brewed a peck of maut, and Rob and Allan come to see. Three blyther hearts that lay long-necked, ye wouldna found in Christendie. We are na foo, we're nae that foo, but just a drappie in Uri. The cock may craw, the day may daw, and aye we'll taste the barley bree. Here are we met, three merry boys, I trow are we, and mony a night we a merry been, and mony may we hope to be. We are na foo, we're nae that foo, but just a drappie in Uri. The cock may craw, the day may daw, and aye we'll taste the barley bree. It is the moon, I ken her horn, that's blinkin in the lift, say he. She shines sae bright while us hame, but by my sooth she'll wait a wee. We are na foo, we're nae that foo, but just a drappie in Uri. The cock may craw, the day may daw, and aye we'll taste the barley bree. Wha first shall rise to gang awa, a cuckold coward loun is he. Wha first beside his chair shall fall, he is the king among us three. We are na foo, we're nae that foo, but just a drappie in Uri. The cock may craw, the day may daw, and aye we'll taste the barley bree. So, the words, we are na foo, we are not drunk, just a drop in our eye. We'll taste the barley bree. A-Y in Scots means always, it doesn't mean yes. I mean, it's short for always, and it should be pronounced A, and it was in Burns' day. Mony a necht we've merry been, many a night we've merry been, and mony may, many more we hope to be. It is the moon, I ken her horn, I know her horn, that's blinkin in the lift, say he, that's shining in the sky so high. Lift was the Scots word for the sky, so when we lift something, we send it that way. Love that. Loun is a rascal. Burns wrote, the air is Masterton's, the song mine. The occasion of it was this: Mr. William Nicol of the High School, Edinburgh, during the autumn vacation, being at Moffat. Honest Allan, who was at that time on a visit to Dalles Winton, and I went to pay Nicol a visit. We had such a joyous meeting that Mr. Masterton and I, each in our own way, should celebrate the business. So, let's see. The text and tune were both published in the Scots Musical Museum in 1790. We don't have Burns's manuscript. We also don't have Allan Masterton's manuscript of his music. And While the museum generally did a pretty good job of copying Burns's words, their musical editor liked to meddle with the tunes. His name was Stephen Clark. He was a church organist from Durham, England, and he took it upon himself to correct the melodies of James Oswald, the preeminent composer of the Scots Baroque, William McGibbon, the great tunesmith, tune collector, Neil Gow. He was one of those make it your own guys. So what I've been doing last 9 years is going back to the source books for the melodies. In this case, I don't have it, but what I have documented in a book that will be coming out eventually is that Clark was particularly allergic to a certain musical phrase, which was quite common in the literature. It was 2/16 notes into an eighth, so it's that. He would change it to, often, a dotted eighth into 2/32, or an eighth into 2/16. And there are 4 instances in Willie brew'd a peck a maut of dotted 16ths into 2/32, and I have taken the liberty of changing those into something more musical and singable, and which I think Masterton wrote. Now, if I get to Scotland, I'm going to see if I can't track down Masterton's estate papers, because he collaborated on other songs with Burns. The Braes of, it starts with a B. Balach Mile. Braes of Balach Mile. And there's a tune he wrote for his daughter. They wrote it together for, it's kind of his daughter. Beware of Bonnie Ann. That's another one. Anyway, I'm nattering. Please subscribe to my channel. I've got a playlist called Songs of Burns. I'm putting them up one at a time.